السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كسو دوادا جنال كينا عصب غير اسكوال.
maanta waxaa haynaa challenge cusub. Challenge-keena waxa waaye ilmaha oo UK lagu dhalay oo su'aaleen la weydiinayo.
That's it. Case closed.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Ramadan Kareem. I hope you guys are doing okay with this coronavirus around. And if the same way,
and Yazidin Waye. Today we're gonna be doing a Somali challenge.
Question number 1. How do you say socks?
me.
Say.
Scarsi.
Scalzo.
Scarsi.
Okay, question number 2. How do you say door? Just say it.
El
Bab.
Okay, question number 3. How do you say watch? Wrist watch, by the way.
Sida.
How do you say the 3rd floor?
No.
Sida something.
Sida floor.
How do you say table?
Miska.
How do you say cooking pans?
Formaggio.
You'll say it, cheese. What? Malay. Okay, skip it then.
Okay, how do you say pineapple?
Skip that. I think so. Nyanyo. Okay, skip.
How do you say glasses?
Okay, yeah.
How do you say vest?
Somanic. Some Somanic.
How do you say hairband?
Taco. Taki. Taco.
Taco.
Okay, how do you say wallet?
Wallet. Pocket.
No.
No.
Skip it.
Skip it, yeah. Skip.
How do you say chicken?
Malay.
Doro.
How do you say lamb?
Hilip.
How do you say a ring?
Faranto.
How do you say earring?
Faranto. Isn't it the same?
Earring.
Dicta Faranto.
Faranto. Oh.
How do you say bag?
Borso.
How do you say haircut?
Tamijero.
How do you say window?
And the
Benanka. I don't know.
Okay, skip.
Skip it.
How do you say curtain?
Drisho. That's window.
Yeah, we have it. Okay,
Curtain?
skip.
A curtain. Daddy always used to say Drisho. No. Benanka head.
No. I don't know.
I don't know.
Skip
Skip
them.
it.
How do you say Hoover?
Vacuum.
No, that's the same word in English though. Skip.
How do you say 142?
How do you
I don't know numbers in Somali. I only know up to 10.
Okay, count to 10.
Kolom
sida after Shem left the door to get scared.
Come on. Okay, Jabril. How do you say Tuesday?
Sninta.
waa kuwan ilmaha oo Yurubta lagu dhalay yarkii weenkii kulligood waa 7 waxaan laga baahan yahay subscribe like
And
share
Comment.
wow